Hey everybody, and welcome back to TMC Natural Beauty, aka the MindCatcher's channel. My name is Valerie, and today we're going to do a simple brown smoky eye, something nice and neutral we can wear anywhere. I've already done my brows, and this is a braid out on my natural hair, and I think it came out nice and fluffy. What do you think? I'm going to use a oldie but a goodie. This is a very old palette. You guys who've been on YouTube since like 2010, 11, you should know this one. This is the Vanity palette by Wet n Wild. It's super old, and I stumbled across this palette today and I said, yes, I'm going to use this palette. So it's an old one. It's an old one. Somebody is probably going to comment in my comment section like, where did you find that? Like underneath all this stuff over here in the corner. Anyway, we're going to start off by putting some primer on our lids. You can use any primer you have. I have the Urban Decay primer potion, so I'm just going to tap that on my lid. Some of this video is going to be set to music because I have to run my AC unit in here, and I don't know if that's going to be aggravating to you guys. I don't know. But it is super hot here in Miami, Florida, and I need this AC unit on. So pardon me. Alright, the next thing I'm going to use is my Black Up Cosmetics Sublime Powder. At least that's what it was called when I first acquired this. I'm not sure what they call it right now. I'm going to leave it here in the video. I think they name it something different. It's just basically a highlighter, and this is in shade number 3, and it's beautiful. So we're going to use that on the brow bone. This Wet n Wild palette that I have does have 2 shimmer shades inside, but I don't like either one of them for a brow bone highlight. I like this better. I'm just loving it. I always have. Okay, I also have a Salma Hayek. This is a eye pencil or eyeshadow stick, and this is in dark brown or something like that. I'm not even sure if she still has makeup. I got this from a BoxyCharm, I believe, and it's just like a perfect little shadow stick. I mean, you get perfect color from this. A nice deep brown. You can use your finger to apply this. You could just color it on the way I'm doing it right now. And for all my hooded lid people, you just look down while you're applying and make sure you cover that entire lid. I always go a little bit higher than my mobile lid because when I open my eyes, it will be hidden. You won't see anything. So I always go a little higher. Now with this shadow stick, it's pretty creamy. So in order to set a cream, we use a powder. So I'm going to use the dark brown in this palette and set the dark brown cream. Alright friends, I'm just using some face powder. This is from Black Radiance, and I'm just going to go around that dark eyeshadow with some face powder so it doesn't look like raccoon eyes. Alright guys, so we're going to use a little black in our waterline. Alright guys, before I move any further, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara on my top lashes. Because as far as I'm concerned, we're basically finished this look. If you're a person that does not wear falsies, you're done. You just apply a nice layer of mascara on. We're not doing a wing liner or anything like that. I don't apply any mascara to my bottom lash line until I'm totally done with my foundation and everything. So what I'm going to do is just smudge a little bit of this brown pencil down here on the, on the lash line at the bottom. Of course, we're going to go into the brown eyeshadow. We're going to apply that along the bottom lash line as well. And we're saving the mascara for last. So I think that is a gorgeous eye look. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. The lashes I'm putting on, I think I'm going to use these new ones. These are Demi Wispies from iMovie, and they are In Style 01 Demi Wispy. That's what it says. Okay, so we're going to put these on. Usually I have to cut the ends of the lashes because I have little beady eyes. So I might have to do that, but I'm going to go ahead and apply these off camera, and I'm going to come back with the face. So stay tuned. Alright friends, I'm going to start off with my face now. So I'm going to just moisturize my face. I'm using the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Mattifying Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's 24-hour hydration. We talked about this in my NARS foundation video. I believe I saw this in the store, guys. I believe I saw this in CVS drugstore. So check your drugstores. It's a pretty good moisturizer. It doesn't leave my face like tight or anything like that. It's a nice moisturizer, very lightweight. So it's perfect for people with oily skin. Guys, for foundation today, we're going to be using the NARS. This is the Soft Matte Foundation, and this is an Iguaku. I could be saying it wrong. It's also called Deep 3. I have the name of the foundation here in the video. I recently did a review, or basically like a show and tell, of 2 shades in this foundation, and a lot of people said that this one was the better match. You guys know I have lots of discoloration and stuff going on. A lot of you guys said this was the better match, so I said the next time I do my makeup I will use only this shade and see what it looks like. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright guys, I did a little bit of highlighting, and I'm going to go around that with my foundation brush just to kind of blend a little bit, and then we're going to do a little contouring. Not a lot, but just to add some color back into my face. And then we're going to put a little bit of powder to set what I have going on here. And I'm going to have a list of products that I use down below. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Peach Powder. Alright guys, we're going to use a little CoverGirl bronzer. I'm going to mix this with a little blush, and we're going to do something funky on our cheeks. So right now I'm putting on a little bit of Black Radiance Soft Focus, finishing powder, and I have it in milk chocolate. So just lightly going around my entire face with that. And I have a little bit of spray, kind of reminds me of Fix Plus from MAC Cosmetics, just to get that chalkiness and dustiness off of the face. Alright y'all, my brown liner just broke, so I'm going to be ghetto with this and just hold a little piece that broke. And we're going to apply some brown lip liner. Last time I did a video, I showed you guys these Sephora wipes that were in the scent Rose. They're all gone, so my daughter just brought me hers. They're in the aloe vera scent, and they smell so good. My little lip pencil, the little piece of pencil I had, just fell on the ground. Let me get this before it makes a mess. The last thing you want to do is step on that, because ooh, you'll be mopping and trying to get that up all day. I don't know, guys. What do we think about the foundation color? I'm digging it. I mean, my lighting is very bright, so I won't know what this looks like until I edit this video. But I think it's okay by itself. I think so. That's one thing I have to work on in this room, is my lighting, and for the life of me, we just can't seem to get somebody over here that's just going to do everything. We just have to have one person for this and one person for that. And I just want somebody that's going to do everything. And let's get it done, you know? But we are loving our brown smoky eye. We are loving it, loving it. Alright guys, I don't know why I'm like hopping everywhere, because I forgot to do the bottom lash line with the mascara. You know, I said I'll wait till the end and do that. Now, someone left a comment on my last video saying they would love to see me do some very simple makeup, you know, something easy or whatever. In my opinion, the eyes for this were super easy, especially if you're not going to do lashes. I think it was super, super easy. That's something anybody can do. Like I say, you can use your finger and apply like a cream brown liner. I mean, not liner, but eye pencil. As long as it's a little deeper than your own skin tone, I think you're doing great with that brown. You can use an eyeshadow to apply it and just blend it out. Some people don't even put a highlight. Some people just leave everything alone and just put the brown all over, you know? But it's up to you. And I think it was very simple. I think it was pretty easy. Now the foundation and all of that stuff, contour and highlight and all of that stuff, now that might be a little bit more challenging. It's up to you if you want to do that. You could just apply powder foundation and keep it going, you know. It's all up to you. Alright, the same Black Up Cosmetics highlighter, the Sublime powder. I'm going to put that on my cheeks here. It is so pretty. I hope my lighting is picking this up. So for our lips, we did the brown liner. Now we're going to do, this is a lip gloss by L'Oreal Paris. This one, ooh, I can't read that. It's so tiny. I will have the name here in the video. Let's just see what this looks like if I want to roll with this one. Alright friends, so this is your completed look, and I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Changed my shirt, not naked. It's a brown shirt, changed it to brown. I have my green nails. I was reviewing a nail polish. It's from Lights Lacquer, so if you guys want to watch that, that's coming up shortly. I think I'm going to edit this makeup tutorial first and then the nail polish, so Stay tuned for that. They have some beautiful colors. It's a new collection for the summer. So can't wait for you guys to see that video. And I'm very happy with how my hair turned out with this braid out. I think I'm going to rock some braid outs from possibly all summer. I don't know. I might let my hair rest up a little bit. It's so hot. I don't know. It might be pulled back in a bun one day. I don't even know. I had a cute little headband on, but it started to irritate me a bit, so I took that off. But it would have went perfect with today's look. So what do you guys think? Nice and glowy. I hope my lighting is picking this up. Let me check. Let me check. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Oh, I forgot to put on my makeup setting spray. I do have the all-nighter setting spray here from Urban Decay, and I always end my makeup with that. So we're locked. Everything is good. We're finished with the makeup look. I love it. I think that I'm going to be rocking a brown smoky eye anytime I go out this summer. I think it's super easy and it's cute, and I could do with or without the highlight on the brow bone. So I think it's very, very nice. I also like this lip gloss from L'Oreal. Again, I'm going to have the name of this lip gloss down in, I'm so silly, it's right here on the top. I'm looking on the side and it's right on the top. It's number 40 Blissful Blush. That's what it's called. Okay, so it is very nice. It's a close dupe for this one by Urban Decay. This one is a little pinker, and this one is called Cruising or Crushing, one or the other, but it's pretty close to this one. So got a cheaper alternative here, and that's it. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.